Down in Mawsynram, where the sky's never clear, lives a man with a broom and a voice you fear. Sweeping at Ïewduh, but his words cut deep. Truth in his eyes and fire that don't sleep. Seeing the lies behind colors and suits. Fathers and pastors just chasing the loot. They preach for silver, not for the word. Bahdeng speaks what they never heard. Raise your fist, scream his name. Bahdeng Dohtdong's burning flame, fighting back with no disguise, tearing down the holy lies. He won't bow, he won't bow. We won't retreat. He's the voice from Shillong Street. He's the voice from Shillong Street. Corrupted hands in the halls of power, stealing dreams hour by hour. They promised hope, gave us decay, but then cursed them all away. Pressure groups, you wear the mask, but taxing the poor, that's your task. Toll gates bleed the common soul, but Bahdeng's roar shakes the control. Raise your fist, scream his name. Bahdeng Dohtdong's burning flame, fighting back with no disguise, tearing down the greedy lies. He won't bow, he won't bow, he won't retreat. He's the voice from Shillong Street.
They twisted the Bible to sell salvation. They sold our culture without hesitation. They made our daughters carry the name.